Updating Employment. Once logged into your SCW online account, you should see the notifications page. Alternatively, you can access your current employment information by clicking onto My Registration in the top banner. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select My Employment. You will see the current employment details we hold for you. Select Add New Employment Details and choose your employment status. Once you select the employment status, the rest of the form will appear. Click on the magnifying glass to look for your work address. You can enter your work postcode, for example CF10 space 1EW, or you can search the organisation name. If you are unable to find your work address, click My Work Address is not listed above, where you can type it in. If your work address does not appear, try searching the organisation name if it still doesn't appear. Adding an employment record doesn't end another. If an employment record is no longer valid, you should end it.